Dad's back?
Trunks got the dragon radar and is heading back here. So things should calm down a little for us now, right?
You okay? What's up, Dad?
Goku, you seem bothered. What's going on?
Bobbity was cruel and treated Boo like a slave.
There's a chance without Bobbity, Boo might decide to ease off or even stop his attacks altogether.
Yay!
No more killing innocent people, okay? Just 2 days. That's all I'm asking. Can you give me that?
Yay! Woohoo! Who's gonna eat you?
All right. Smooch now.
Boots, are you took care of that? Now Boo go find lots more Earthlings to smash.
Bobbity was on a rampage to cement his own power. Boo will do it just for fun. I told Boo to wait 2 days because someone strong enough was coming along to fight him, and he seemed excited by the idea.
We have 2 days to teach Trunks and Goten fusion and then get them into the fight down there. You have to have more time left than that. You told us you had a full day.
So we have less than an hour to master.
In short, I've got nothing left in the tank.
Oh, wow. That explains why you seem so winded and tired.
That's right, but your remaining time is actually less than 30 minutes. Now it's 28 minutes.
Where are you, Trunks?
Take it slower, Gohan. Be careful. I can't hold it.
You shouldn't have doubted me when I said he was the one. Knowing his heart, I like his chances versus Boo. In fact, you're already ahead of where I thought you'd be by now.
No, there's no time for a break.
I can't ever catch up to him, but I owe it to the world to at least try.
I suspect that had you gone all out, you could have defeated Majin Buu right then and there on your own. Think. You always know what you're capable of. In this battle, you just didn't see it through.
We have to teach this next generation to beat Boo on their own. Because you know, once he's gone...
But you're putting the Earth's fate entirely in the hands of children. I'm sorry about Gohan, by the way.
You know, Gohan always looked up to you. Thought the world of you.
I'm so proud of you, Trunks. I knew you'd do it.
Yeah, I did it.
All right! Now that we've got this, we can finally track down the Dragon Balls and wish things back to how they were.
Huh? You called me weak? So you need to really buckle down and finish your training strong, otherwise Earth is toast. Got it?
Yes, sir, Sensei!
He's coming at us! Well, I can't believe it. I never thought in a million years I'd see boys this young raise their energy.
But after I'm gone, I want you to practice matching energy levels so often that it becomes as easy as breathing.
Going Super Saiyan 3 on Earth depleted his energy in ways no other villain has.
Now watch. I'll demonstrate the pose, and you guys try to memorize it. Then, put your arms out, same direction, parallel to the ground. Jun, make fists, and pay close attention to your leg angles. Ha!
Is he joking? This looks so weird.
Come on, clock's ticking. What's wrong? I know. Piccolo and I will do it, and you can copy us.
What?
Jun,
throw at Majin Buu like this, he could laugh himself to death.
Earlier you said you regretted never having the chance to try out the fusion move with Vegeta. Never mind.
Goku!
Huh?
Huh?
That's right.
Zen?
Oh?
Ha! What are you doing? Fusion! Ha!
No, that's not it.
Hey, dude. Is it just me or is this totally lame? Fusion! Ha!
Huh. Yeah. Even if we can fix things with the Dragon Balls, we don't want to see people suffer.
Oh. Hey, buddy, you hear me? Hurry up and get out of the way. You him? Oh, no.
You're too noisy! We'll make more quiet!
Okay, I take it back to handsome, all right?
Now move down! Ah! Ha! All done! It's Ribber Bath time! Ah! Feels so nice, blue light. Oh! This is where Boo wash face and brush teeth and do all things keep Boo pretty. Boo sleep good. Just what Boo needed. Here I go!
Still hasn't recovered from hearing about Gohan dying, huh? Oh, the poor thing.
Whoa, that's it? Hey, Chi-Chi, you hear that? You gotta wake up now.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This technique's seriously powerful. The Metamorphs who taught it to me became crazy strong when they did it.
Me too. I want to see some Super Saiyan 3. If we're Super Saiyan 3, we'll beat Boo for sure.
No, you won't. Fine. Just this once, I'll give you guys a demo of Super Saiyan 3.
Really?
Okay, you guys. Now, watch closely.
That is so cool! So cool!
Gotta go back to Otherworld.
Already?
Well, you squandered the last of the time you were given.
Once I'm out of here, you'll be the only one who can teach it to them. You have to.
Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi, you gotta get up, I'm telling you. Goku's gonna be heading back to Otherworld.
What? He's leaving already? I'll kill him again!
Oh, Goku, but you're sending him off to get killed by Majin Buu.
That's not gonna happen.
Guys, I think Gohan is safe. He's out there somewhere.
Huh? Still, how great would it be if he was?
Yeah, it would be. I know. You want one last hug from your daddy, don't you?
Goten, take good care of your mom for me. So long, everybody!
You know, guys, between the Super Saiyan 3 thing and this fusion business... Yeah, sit on the sidelines and watch the fight.
Ta-da!
Huh? Hey! I know what those kids are capable of, and I've got complete confidence in them. As long as they get the hang of fusion, they can definitely...
Okay, Goku, I assume you can make it the rest of the way on your own.
Yep, thanks. Bye-bye, Baba.
Hey, what do you think you're doing? No car!
Are you kidding me? I was in front of you!
Hey, you there! there?
Sorry, you'll have to forgive me. I'm in a rush. King Yemma! Hate to barge in, King Yemma, but there's something important I have to ask you, sir.
And they just keep coming and coming one after another. Gohan, just a second. The kid hasn't been here. And come to think of it, if your son had shown up at my desk, we did have a real piece of work come in here earlier. Name's Dabura, king of the demon world.
That's awesome. Thanks for your help. Bye now. Woohoo! My boy took on Majin Buu, and he survived. It's Gohan's energy. I'd know it anywhere.